What we build now with this ecosystem, this community, will shape how the world relates to technology for the next century.
Every business will be using AI in some form. It has to be everywhere, it has to be ubiquitous, but it also has to be secure.
Confidential computing isn't just one size fits all, and it's actually a spectrum where on the far right is where we all want to head.
Things that were being discussed last year are solved this year.
I think we're going to look at the year of the agents as in the same way that we look at the steam engine in the Industrial Revolution, in the same way that we think about Gopher, predating HTTP in the birth of the internet.
These agents behave with human-like capabilities, but they operate at machine speed.
AI is kind of the big focus this year, but I think we're really talking more about confidential AI or private AI versus just the concept of like what a trust boundary is.
So the reason why you should care about is these automations are happening, and we need to figure out how to run them in a secure environment and how they scale within those enterprises.
When we say confidential computing, it can mean in, on, or transparent. And each of those have different guarantees, and each of those require different types of architectural work.
Just as the attackers are using Gen AI to do a million different things, security organizations need to be using Gen AI to defend themselves.
Seeing the amazing amount of attendance from some of the key providers like Google, Microsoft, AMD, Intel was really inspiring.
It's also bigger, better organized, better in every way.
If you're thinking about the future, if you're thinking about what's coming next, you have to ask yourself, what does a model that's 4x more compute 12 months from now look like? And a model that's 16x more compute 24 months after that? What does it mean for models to get even more intelligent over time?
This conference has shown that the technology evolves almost week by week. As we solve these problems, it's not just the tech solution, it's how it actually reinvents the process, how it reinvents the industry. So the more you can actually be part of that journey and help them ask the questions and help them build the case, that's going to make a big difference in how we're able to scale.
We are the builders of the trust fabric for the internet, for AI. And our mission is to drive human progress by responsibly harnessing technology in this next stage of humanity.